Welcome to the lesson on preventive maintenance and early detection of issues. In this lesson, we will explore the key aspects of preventive maintenance for battery electric vehicles, BEVs. Let us look at our lesson objectives. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain why BEVs generally require less maintenance than conventional vehicles. You will be able to describe the importance of coolant for battery health and the recommended service intervals for coolant changes. Next, you will be able to explain how to maintain the lifespan of the 12-volt battery. Finally, you will be able to explain the key design differences between tires for BEVs and conventional vehicles. BEVs have a streamlined design, unlike conventional vehicles that have complex internal combustion engines, ICE. Electric motors have far fewer moving parts, reducing the likelihood of mechanical failure. BEVs do not require components like timing belts, drive belts, or gaskets, which are prone to wear and tear over time. Conventional vehicles rely on fluids like engine oil, transmission fluid, and power steering fluid that require regular changes to maintain proper lubrication. BEVs eliminate most of these fluids, simplifying maintenance schedules. BEVs often utilize regenerative braking systems, which capture energy during deceleration and store it in the battery. This reduces wear and tear on the brake pads and extends their lifespan. As a result, maintenance related to brake pad replacement is significantly reduced compared to conventional vehicles. In this lesson, we will focus on three crucial areas for preventive maintenance for BEVs, namely the cooling system, the 12-volt battery, and the tires. The coolant for high-voltage HV battery and thermal management is similar to that of conventional vehicles, as BEVs rely on coolant to maintain optimal battery temperature for performance and longevity. Coolant changes in BEVs are usually required much less often than in conventional vehicles. Manufacturers typically recommend ranges between 100,000 to 150,000 miles for coolant changes. While the service intervals are longer, it is still recommended for BEV owners and technicians to check the coolant level and condition annually. This simple check can help ensure that the vehicle's cooling system functions properly. Like conventional vehicles, BEVs use 12-volt batteries to power electronic accessories and systems. Extreme temperatures can affect the lifespan of any battery, including the 12-volt battery. However, most BEVs are designed to manage cabin temperatures effectively, which helps create a favorable environment for the 12-volt battery. Parking the vehicle in moderate temperatures whenever possible is beneficial. Like conventional vehicles, periodic checks of the 12-volt battery's health are recommended. If owners or technicians notice dimming headlights, the vehicle will not turn on, or other electrical issues. The battery needs to be checked and replaced. BEVs have unique tire needs compared to conventional vehicles. BEV tires prioritize low rolling resistance. This means the tires are designed to roll with less friction against the road. Think of it like a bike with well-inflated tires. They roll easier. Lower rolling resistance translates to a longer driving range because the electric motor doesn't have to work as hard to keep the vehicle moving. Special tread patterns and rubber compounds help achieve this efficiency without compromising traction or durability. While not necessarily thinner or narrower, BEV tires often feature unique tread patterns and rubber compounds specifically formulated to minimize rolling resistance while maintaining essential grip and durability for safe driving. Because BEVs are heavier due to the battery pack, their tires are built with a robust compound to handle the weight and the high torque of electric motors. BEV tire manufacturers aim for a balance between durability and low rolling resistance for a long-lasting and efficient driving experience. Just like with conventional vehicles, regular tire maintenance, including rotations, balancing, and checking tire wear and air pressure, is essential. Most manufacturers recommend a tire rotation every 5,000 miles and a tire balance every 10,000 miles. This helps ensure optimal performance, safety, and longevity of the tires. However, the frequency of these maintenance tasks may vary depending on the specific vehicle model, driving habits, and road conditions, so it's important to follow the recommendations provided by the vehicle manufacturer. BEVs use coolant similar to conventional vehicles for high-voltage HV battery and thermal management, but service intervals for coolant changes are longer, typically between 100,000 to 150,000 miles. Annual checks of coolant level and condition are recommended to ensure the proper functioning of the cooling system. In contrast, conventional vehicles require regular coolant changes, typically every 30,000 to 50,000 miles, to maintain optimal engine temperature. Both BEV and conventional vehicles utilize 12-volt batteries for electronic systems. BEVs are designed to effectively manage cabin temperatures, reducing the frequency of 12-volt battery checks and replacements, which are eventually required. Conventional vehicles also require periodic checks and replacements of the 12-volt battery, especially when signs of deterioration such as dimming headlights or slow starting occur. BEV tires prioritize low rolling resistance to enhance efficiency and extend driving range. They feature unique tread patterns and rubber compounds for this purpose. Regular tire maintenance, including rotations, balancing, and checks for wear and pressure, is necessary for both BEV and conventional vehicles. However, the frequency may vary based on specific vehicle models, driving habits, and road conditions. Let us now recap what we have covered in this lesson on preventive maintenance and early detection of issues. We learned that BEVs benefit from a streamlined design with fewer moving parts compared to conventional vehicles. This translates to reduced wear and tear, leading to less frequent maintenance needs. We focused on three crucial preventive maintenance areas: the cooling system, the 12-volt battery, and the tires. BEVs use coolant to maintain optimal coolant circuit temperature, but coolant changes are required much less often than in conventional vehicles. Annual checks of coolant level and condition are still recommended. Similar to conventional vehicles, BEVs use a 12-volt battery for electronics. While extreme temperatures can affect its lifespan, most BEVs manage cabin temperatures well, creating a favorable environment for the battery. Regular checks are recommended, and replacement is necessary when issues arise. BEV tires prioritize low rolling resistance for better efficiency and range. They feature unique designs and compounds to achieve this while maintaining grip and durability. Regular maintenance is crucial for optimal performance, safety, and tire life. Thank you.